Myths, and that too in pregnancy, a very crucial topic as it is followed blindly from generations to generations. There are lots of myths in the society related to pregnancy. Today we have selected top 5 funniest myths to burst. So let's debunk them. Hello and welcome to TruptWellness. This is Dr. Trupti and today we are going to talk about myths in pregnancy. If you are new to the channel, then please consider subscription. We provide lot of information regarding pregnancy, Ayurveda and health.
अरे बिटिया, तू तो बड़ी निखर रही है, प्रीटी झिंटा लग रही है। देखना, तुझे तो बेटा ही होगा। अरे बेटा, तेरी सुंदरता तो ढलती जा रही है, इसका मतलब तुझे बेटी होगी। देखना तू।
Stealing the mother's beauty. It is again a very funny myth. It says that if a mother looks prettier day by day, then she is carrying a baby boy in her womb. And if her beauty fades away, or if she looks uglier by the passing days, then she is carrying a baby girl. Girls in the womb will steal their mother's beauty is completely a false belief. Mother's beauty is totally dependent on her health, happiness and harmony.
Idea. Idea.
Eating saffron or kesar will make their babies fair. The topmost and favorite myth of pregnancy. Everyone wants their babies fair, but the complexion of babies are decided by the genes of their parents at the time of conception. Food items has very little influence on the skin tone. Traditionally, it is believed that saffron reduces mood swing as it soothes the nervous system and it is also a very good muscle relaxant. According to Ayurveda, saffron or kesar is Ushna and Snigdha Gunatmak, which means it has warm effect on the body. So only 2 to 3 threads are recommended to be taken per day. So it may harm your baby if taken in large doses. You should not take more than 10 grams per day. So saffron in a milk is great idea, but for mother's well-being and not to make your babies fair.
अब अपने दोनों हाथ सीधे कीजिए, एक हाथ ऊपर लीजिए।
No, 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 no.
एक हाथ ऊपर लीजिए।
No, 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 no.
देवी जी प्लीज एक हाथ ऊपर लीजिए।
No, 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 no.
Oh, what a shot. And that's why people love Rahul so much. Beautiful. Excellent commitment into that shot. Glorious. Absolutely glorious. Man in form. Oh.
And if one's not good enough, I'm going to hit you again. That's huge.
You should not raise your hand above your head. This belief says that raising your hand will cause the umbilical cord to wrap around the baby's neck, which is absolutely false. Umbilical cord wraps and unwraps around the baby's neck due to the twisting and turning of baby before birth. This is quite natural and it is not caused by any activity of the mother. If you have heartburn, your baby will have lots of hair. It sounds ridiculous, right? Heartburn is a very common symptom experienced by lots of women in pregnancy due to acid reflux and hormonal imbalance. Heartburn has nothing to do with your baby's hair and its volume too.
Oh no! नहीं।
Baby's head flatten if you sit with crossed leg or folded legs on the floor. It's funny, right? Actually, baby's head has nothing to do with the floor. Sitting on the floor will ease your joints at the pelvic area, which will help you at the time of childbirth. Ayurveda insists to sit on the floor close to the earth while eating. Try to sit on the floor whenever you get chance while reading books, watching TV and cutting vegetables. It will neither harm your baby's head nor flatten it. So this was all about funny myths in pregnancy. We will meet with more myths in next episode. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed. Thank you.